Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your computer class of class 3rd. Hope you all are doing well at home. Students, in the previous video, we have started chapter number 3, that is GUI and operating system. Right? Here is the chapter 3rd, GUI and operating system. Okay? And half of the chapter explanation we have already done. So, we are going to continue with the remaining portion, that is page number 22. Here, page number 22, the topic is taskbar. What is the taskbar? In the previous classes, you have already learned about the taskbar. Taskbar is the longest bar at the bottom of the desktop and it has a start button, quick launch bar, system tray, show desktop button. Okay, and it also shows icon for the currently open running program. Here, this is the bottom line and that is called a taskbar. The taskbar given here: first start button, quick launch bar, running program, system tray and show desktop button. What is quick launch bar? Quick launch bar. This launches an application quickly. You can open a certain application by single clicking on it and on the quick launch bar. Here you can directly open your application single clicking on its icon. Okay, directly you can open from quick launch bar. If you want to open internet, click here, single click, library, media player. Okay, directly you can open. Next, system tray. System tray, this display the current date and time. It show the current date and time. Here. And show desktop button. Show desktop button. This button minimize all the open programs and display the desktop. Okay. Next, start button. What is start button? And what is the use of start button? Start button is used to do many activities. Start button, we can use many activities with the start button. When you left click on the start button, a menu appear on the screen. This is called the start button. When you clicking start button, see a menu appear on the screen like this. First you see the all programs. You see the various option on the start menu. First is the all program. Here all program, it open a list of program immediately. When you click the all program, it open a list immediately. And what is the list? This the list. Okay, and it is also a shortcut to open a program. Shortcut to open a program. First click the start button and then click all program. First click the start button, second click on all program and you see a list of program is immediately appear. You can click the program you want to open. You want to open any program, click it. Like you want to open game, you want to open MS Office, maintenance. Okay, you can go and you can go back to start menu by clicking the back option. If you want to go back, then click here back button. Okay, then shutdown. The shutdown option is the start menu of window closes all open program and completely switch off the computer. Shutdown means closing the computer, turn off the computer. Okay, to close all the program or close the computer. To do this shutdown, just click the start button and click shutdown. Here, click start button and here you see shutdown button. If you want to switch off the computer, switch off the program, then click here shutdown. Okay. Search program and files. How to search program and file? To search or find things in the computer, we use search program and files. See, this is the search box. And where we see, when you clicking the start button, a menu appear, a list is appear and see the search box. Okay, to find a save file, we have to Step 1, click start button. Step 2, type the name of file you want to search in the search box. Okay, whatever you want to search, type the name here. Okay. Step 3, click the required file to open it. When you searching the file name, you have to click the required file to open it. Help and support, various help topics related to Windows are found in this option. Okay, you are searching solitaire game name. See, two game names are here, solitaire and spider solitaire. Click any one of your choice. Next one is how to change the position of the taskbar. What is the taskbar? Taskbar is the bottom line of the desktop. Okay, and how to change the position of the taskbar? You can change the position of taskbar. It's your own choice. There are 4 positions: left, right, top and bottom. Okay, you can change the position of the taskbar and place it any one of the 4 sides of the screen. And here are the steps to follow to change the taskbar position. First step is right click on the taskbar and uncheck the lock taskbar option by clicking on it. See, when you click the right, see a list is appear. You see the lock the taskbar. You have to untick this. आपको ये टिक हटाना है. Okay, then drag the taskbar to any side of the screen to change its position and after that you have to drag it. आपको ड्रैग करना है माउस की हेल्प से. ओके, और अपनी पोजीशन में इसको रख देना है. इट्स योर ओन चॉइस. यू विल इंसर्ट लेफ्ट, राइट, टॉप, बॉटम. ओके, here side is right side. Okay, this. Next is gadgets. What are the gadgets? Gadgets are the mini programs that provide information at a glance. These are the mini programs. Here, these are the gadgets. These are the mini programs. Example: game, picture slideshow, free headlines, clock, calendar, etc. Windows 7 desktop display gadget on the right side of the screen. The right side of the screen, you can add or remove the gadgets on your desktop according to your choice. It's your choice to add gadgets or to remove the gadgets. Okay, see the practice time. Add the gadget currency and free headlines on your desktop. In this practice time, you have to add currency and free headline on the desktop. What are the steps you have to follow? Step 1, right click on the desktop, right click, then select gadget from the gallery. You have to select the gallery option, this one, sorry, gadgets, and select the gallery. डबल क्लिक ऑन द गैजेट्स ऑफ योर चॉइस. ये आपको डिफरेंट गैजेट्स दिए गए हैं. आप अपनी चॉइस से गैजेट्स पे क्लिक करोगे. कैलेंडर, क्लॉक, CPU मीटर, करेंसी, वेदर, स्लाइड शो, एक्सेट्रा. ओके, इट्स योर चॉइस what you want on the desktop screen. Okay student, shortcut buttons in a window. Shortcut buttons in a window. Shortcuts, here are 4 shortcuts. At the upper right corner of an open window, you can notice some buttons are there. What are the buttons? These are button: minimize button, maximize button, restore down button and close button. When you open any program or you open MS Office, you see the upper right corner of the window. What are minimize button, maximize button, restore down button or close button? Minimize button is the window shrink to the taskbar when this button is clicked. Okay, the minimize. Maximize means to increase the size of the window. Increase the size of the window. Restore down button, when you maximize a window, the maximize button look like this. Restore down, resize the window back it to original form. ओके, रिस्टोर करने पर आपकी विंडो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आ जाएगी. अगर आपने मिनिमाइज़ कर रखा है या मैक्सिमाइज़ कर रखा है, रिस्टोर करने पर आपकी विंडो एज इट इज़ ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आ जाएगी. द लास्ट इज क्लोज बटन. क्लोज बटन मीन इट क्लोज द विंडो व्हेन यू क्लिक. क्लोज द program. Okay, these are the 4 buttons, shortcut buttons. Windows 7 accessories. Windows 7 accessories. In the previous classes, you have used 2 of the Windows accessories, Paint and WordPad. Okay, let us now learn to use Windows 7 calculator. In the previous classes, you have already learned how to open Paint, how to work, how to open WordPad, and how to work on the WordPad. Right now, how to use Windows 7 calculator. How to use calculator is the accessories. You must have used a calculator by now. It is used to do calculation. Calculation is for what? Solve sum, right? Windows 7 also has a calculator to carry out simple arithmetic calculation. And to solve sum using Windows 7 calculator, you have to follow these steps. Steps are: step 1 is click on the start button. Click on the start button here, first step, and click all program is the second step. After clicking all program, you see from the sub menu, click on accessories. Accessories is the third step. After clicking accessories, you see many words are written here, many programs: calculator, command prompt, notepad, paint, etc. given here. You have to select calculator in the accessories option. Okay, after clicking calculator, see calculator is open, then ready to calculate. Okay, you see button for digits 0 to 9. See 0 to 9, and add, subtraction, multiplication, divide, equals to calculation in the calculator. Okay, examples also given here. For example, 7 plus 1. Click 7. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Okay, 7 plus is equal to 8. Understood? So today we have discussed up to here only, and the remaining portion we will continue in the next video. Okay, now I am giving you homework. Your homework is page number 25. This one, page number 25. What you have to do? You have to draw these gadgets. Okay, draw these gadgets in your notebook. आपको ये gadgets draw करने अपनी notebook में, and write name also. Okay, this is your homework. In the next video we will meet again, the remaining portion. Till then, take care. Thank you.